The pandemic hit. Work Services Corporation was one of the first employers to have a positive case, and right now they're taking precautions to make sure that their employees are working in a safe environment. As Jeremy Garza shows us, though, some employees say that they'd like a little extra help in the pocketbook.
Since a Work Service Corporation employee tested positive for COVID-19, CEO of the nonprofit, David Toogood, says they've gone above and beyond to keep their employees safe.
Really, our approach to COVID-19 and infections in the workplace has really been to get as smart as possible on the steps to take to pay attention to the CDC guidance and the Wichita County Public Health Department guidance, and put in as many things as possible to keep our people safe and prevent them from getting COVID-19.
We're sanitizing every 30 minutes, and I do applaud that. We're wearing masks like we're supposed to, and I think we're social distancing 6 feet apart, and I applaud that too.
As happy as Work Services Corporation employee Daniel Holmes is, he says more is needed.
Getting results back from co-workers, and delivering the information out faster. Not saying you don't have to give us a name, but let us know if we've been in contact with them or anything like that. That way we can protect ourselves, protect our families.
Holmes adds, since he is an essential employee, he and some other co-workers feel they should receive hazard pay. However, pay is negotiated into a contract before work even begins. So, that extra money is not possible unless lawmakers make a change.
There's no extra money on the contracts that's not being spent and allocated towards the conduct of those contracts. So there's not much we could do unless the federal government were to pass some type of legislation that would authorize budgets to increase.
But for now, those at Work Services Corporation will continue to try and stay safe so they can keep working. Jeremy Garza, KFDX 3 News.
Work Services Corporation screens visitors and does temperature checks there. They also changed their air conditioning system, adding filters that can filter out viruses, they say, with employee safety in mind.